Halabtech Tool V4.0 2026 free login, free download. Halabtech Tool V4.0 is a Windows-based mobile servicing/repair tool which provides flash, FRP/unlock, device info, backup/restore, and other service options for various brands including MTK, Qualcomm, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Tecno, Nokia. What is Halabtech Tool V4.0? Halabtech Tool V4.0 is a powerful Windows-based mobile servicing and flashing tool which works on multiple Android brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, Vivo, Oppo, Nokia, Tecno, etc. This tool is mainly used for FRP remove, flashing, unlocking, repairing, and diagnostic tasks. Due to its modern interface, high-speed device detection, and multiple CPU support, it is now one of the most popular tools of 2026. If you are a mobile technician or do mobile unlocking, flashing, and repairing work, then Halabtech Tool V4.0 2026 is a great tool for you. It is free, fast, and one of the most popular service tools. Always download from the official website and don't forget to take a backup before working. How to install and use. Simple steps. 1. Download Halabtech Tool version 4.0 from the official website. 2. Extract the zip file and run the installer as administrator. 3. Install required drivers, ADB, MTK, Qualcomm. 4. Connect your phone in EDL or ADB mode. 5. Click on Read Info to detect your device. 6. Choose your operation, flash/FRP, remove/repair. 7. Wait until the process completes and reboot the device. Features Halabtech Tool V4.0. Backup. 1. Backup data to PC2. Restore data from PC3. Copy contacts to PC4. Paste contacts to phone 5. Paste data to phone. Reboot. Reset. 1. Reboot normal mode. 2. Reboot recovery mode 3. Reboot download mode 4. Reboot fastboot 5. Shutdown 6. Factory reset via ADB. Apps management. 1. List installed apps. 2. Uninstall app 3, open app 4, stop app 5, stop services, advanced tools. 1. Unlock FRP via ADB. 2. Enable DEG mode. 3. Fix CID Manager 4, transfer Google Play apps 5. WhatsApp tool. Fastboot mode. 1. Read info 2, reboot 3, reboot recovery 4, reset FRP 5, unlock bootloader 6, lock bootloader 7, factory reset 8, wipe EFS QCOM 9, wipe NV MTK 10, reboot to EDL 11, reboot to EDL 1.